Hello and welcome to Sunday morning builds. This week it's a great week to be great day to be doing Lego because it's so wet outside and it's going to be wet all day. So looking forward to doing this third set of the Harry Potter collection of the series that have been released this year. We have number 211 Kingsley Shacklebolt and 212 Nymphadora Tonks, and they look striking, especially Kingsley here. Look at the headpiece and the dress piece. The colours in this set look fantastic. Now this is Lego set 40618 and it comes with 250 pieces. And as I said, it's the third set of the collection where we had these ones previously, and I have already built those, so you can look back at those builds. So with 250 pieces, should be around that half-hour mark, 25 minutes to half hour, and do it as a speed build and then come back and do the review. Hope you can join me. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. And here we have the completed set of set number 40618, the Harry Potter brickhead number 211, Kingsley Shacklebolt, and number 212, Nymphadora Tonks. This was a really good set to build. I love the colours. They're very striking. And both sets, the way that the build started with the legs, and it was different to other sets. Now, often you don't, with the brickheads, you don't start with the legs, but these two you did, and it was a good change in technique, different technique to what is usually used. Not really anything I can highlight there for you, but it was enjoyable. But look at the colors, the printed pieces on this piece here. It is really well done. Simple build, nice flat pieces right around, but the internals, how they were layered to get the depth, we've done very well. The purple hair, the front piece, printed piece here, and a little bit more complicated on the head piece, but comes together really, really well. So really good sets to have in the collection. Enjoyed these two as the last two of the set of three of this series. So really pleased to have these, and they'll go well in the collection over with the other Harry Potter ones, which are just over here. So thank you for hanging around. I would certainly recommend these to anyone interested in brickheads or wanting to get started with building characters. So hope you enjoyed that and hope you can join me next time. Bye for now.